Hello traders, welcome once again to our channel. In this video guys, what do you think is Bitcoin doing this week? Alright, so we're going to see how we can position ourselves for the move that we're expecting this week. Alright, so if that sounds interesting to you, kindly smash that like button and subscribe to this channel guys as we dive into this video. Alright, from the 4 hours chart guys, we still maintain the same bias that the market has given us, an impulse, a correction, and an impulse, and after which we'll be expecting the market to continue moving high guys. All right, so but now at this point, let's analyze and see what we are expecting here to see whether the market is ready to move or there will still be a drop at this point. All right, so let's take a look from it on the daily charts and see what the market has given us. Then if you go up to the daily chart, you can see clearly that the market actually is stalling, just going in between the move. So here now we have an impulse, a correction, an impulse, all right, breaking this low, but now the market is kind of stalling in between. So what are we expecting? Is it going to break up or break down? Now, for us to determine that, we need to check out from the smaller time frame and see exactly what is happening at this point, because markets move within wave and wave within wave. After an impulse, a correction will play out, and the next impulse, a correction will play out, and the next impulse, a correction will play out, and the next impulse. All right, so let's take a look on the smaller time frame, which is 1 hour. Now, from the 1 hour chart, guys, the market actually is correcting its move. Now, the market has given us an impulse, and all these are considered an impulse. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can look at it this way to be a 5-wave move. In this thing, guys, so there are 2 possibilities that we are looking at, whereby we have an impulse, we have 1, 2, 3, and the market start going up, which is a possibility, whereby all this becomes a bigger corrective structure. All right, which is likely because if you take a look back, you will see the market actually has been going sideways, and that is a completion of this move. So this wave also shows that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so which actually a complete structure of this move. All right, so here now, so we're expecting at least the market should come up, even if it's still going to move down. At least let's see a 3-wave move up before the market start dropping. But looking at it from the bigger time frame, we should expect this move to continue moving high. All right, so that is what we expect from the Bitcoin. Now let's take a look on it from the smaller time frame, like 15 minutes, whereby we take a sniper entry and also day trading opportunities. Now from the 15 minutes time frame, guys, what can we see here? We also see the same thing, that this move is completed. Okay, so if I should bring out my charting process here, what we have done in the past, so we can see clearly here that this move actually is completed, and that is why we are seeing this breakout. So obviously there is a breakout here because we have seen an impulse, a correction, an impulse, a correction. So here is a complete structure, and once a structure is completed, we're expecting a breakout with a high momentum. On the divergence, guys, you can see actually that the divergence is there. The market is making a higher low, whereby the price is making lower low. So that tells you that momentum is not supporting this move downwards. All right, so actually we've positioned ourselves in the market, and what we'll be expecting is for the market to continue pushing high, at least breaking this this out of this channel. All right, so in case you've not positioned yourself, I think the next opportunity for you is where the market will give us a 3-wave move down and start continue moving high, because we're expecting this to continue moving high at this point. So that's the bias we have for the week, and because this is the beginning of the week, which is Monday, we expect this market to continue moving high. If you take a look from the weekly chart, from the monthly chart, we have identified a pattern we recognize, because we've seen here that From the monthly charts, the market also has given us an impulse, a correction, an impulse, a correction, an impulse. And in between this last impulse, we have incomplete structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're expecting the last wave to play out, before the whole thing will be completed. So these are the things we're expecting to happen in the market. And from the way we look at it, at least breaking the all-time high is imminent, guys. Always make sure you trade with stop loss and proper risk management. So guys, that is what we're expecting on Bitcoin this week. If you want to up your game in your trading career, I would advise you learn how to trade in waves, because understanding wave structure, market structure will help you to trade with confidence and to know the best time to position yourself in any market so you can trade effectively and consistently, so you can be a market maker without reacting to the markets. All right, so that is just what we have for you guys today. And if you like this kind of content, please kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video, share with your friend, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.